Alright guys, we're working on a 97 Chevy S10. Customer complains was the noise. I hope you guys can hear it. It sounds like a diesel, kind of. And as it gets warmer, it gets worse. Let's take a look under. See if we can hear it more. Let's see if we can hear it more. I hope you guys can hear that, but let's see. So it sounds like we have a timing chain problem. So let's take it apart and get to the timing chain components and take a look and see if we're right. Alright, here we're back. So let me show you the process that I've done so I can get to the chain. So everything is out of there. As you can see, chain is ready. So let's see. I think our problem is gonna be this one. See, because I'm able to press this kind of weak. This one. So I put some pieces, some adapters so I can fire up. I won't fire up for too long, but I want to see if my noise is coming from there, so we can be 100% that that's a problem. So let me show you what the things that I took out before we fire up. Alright, it's not showing very clear because I think the sound is so bad that it reflects on the camera. But as you can see, all the stuff I found: tensioner, shroud, belt, pulleys, water pump pulley, the vent. So now let's fire up and see if we can hear the noise where it's coming from. Let's double check here. So we got this adapter already secured so it doesn't come out. I just put some oil pans or maybe just a rag or whatever for any oil splashing, because I want to see it running, see if we got the right coil where the noise is coming from there. That's it. Okay, some of the oil is coming out. Let me use a screwdriver. See if I can stop this. Hear the noise stopping? Let me try because the oil is going all over, so let's see. See, it's quiet. I hope I get in a good shot. It's hard to do it with this mess, but let me see. I want to put pressure on it. See how it's quiet? So that's where our noise is coming from. Let's shut it up. Alright guys, as you guys saw, our problem is the chain tensioner, the one that is making all our noise. You know, I made a little bit of mess, but as you can see, the oil is pretty bad, so we're gonna need to change it anyways. Let's take a look. You can see it is dark. It's overdue already. So I knew I was gonna throw some out, but I want it to be 100%. Not guessing that I want to be replacing something that is not going to take care of the problem. But that's our problem right here, as you saw. So you can see I'm able to push. So that's a weak spring already, weak tensioner. But not a lot, but you saw when we put some pressure on it, oh, it quit. So start making the noise. So we're gonna get a new timing chain kit so we can replace everything, the tensioner and the chain. this, and we want to time this up and get it ready to be pulled up, so we can, so now we know that we're 100% that's a problem.